Hi guys,
welcome back to
Cooking with the
BOYz.
Today we'll be making salmon poke bowl.
What you'll need today is a pound of salmon, 1 avocado, half an inch of ginger, garlic, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, tablespoon of sesame seeds, teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 scallions, and 1 nori seaweed. Tear the nori into small flakes.
First, you're gonna take the skin off it if it's still attached. Now, slice the salmon. And then cut the avocado.
Next, grate the garlic and ginger. And then add soy sauce, and the sesame seeds, and the sesame oil, and then mix. Now add the salmon on the rice. Sprinkle nori. And if you'd like, you could add more scallions or sesame seeds. Now serve with extra soy sauce on the side.
Now let's eat.
Yeah.